God rest his soul. He got into a horrible car accident back in the late 60s. Unfortunately, it was so horrible, he ended up in the hospital, and the young lady who hit him countersued him. And even though he depleted all his funds and he was fighting the case and he won, he still felt like he was taken advantage of. So he wanted to create equal access to justice. We were established in 1972, tried and true, longer than most of y'all been alive, protecting and empowering approximately 4.4 million lives across the U.S. and Canada. Now listen, Lois, Coach Farbell, and even myself are going to say great things about the company, right? But look at our vision to provide equal access and liberty, equality and opportunity and justice that every human being deserves and expects. And look who's bragging about us: Forbes, CNBC, Yahoo, and Bloomberg. Ladies and gentlemen, you see on your screen, what does it say? Disruptive innovation, simpler, easier, more affordable. Think about it like this: it's the remote control of your life. Do you remember shopping at the mall, which I low-key still do? But what do we do now? We tap the app. Amazon has our back. I'm going to date myself. I actually have albums. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, record players. But do you remember buying CDs? What do we do now? We tap the app. Spotify has our back. I wonder about getting access to the justice system. It's the same concept, ladies and gentlemen. So have you ever, not only think about yourself, but think about your friends and family, jot those names down. Have you ever thought about revising your living will? I call it your last love letter. Have you been treated unfairly? Have you been a breach of identity theft? Ladies and gentlemen, have you all seen the news? Just a few days ago, there was a breach, right? 3 billion with a B, 3 billion with a B. Social Security numbers was hacked from the US, Canada, and the UK, ladies and gentlemen.